Hi, this is Russ from Crafter, and today we're going to talk about inserting links to pages and documents within our project through the rich text editor. So first, let's look at the functionality. Sometimes we want to be able to into a rich text editor, and as we see here, be able to click on some text and link it, and we want it to link to a page in the site, or let's say a document or other static asset in static assets. And we can do that through this control here in data sources. So if I click here, you'll see that I can specify pages and documents. And I set this up through my content type. So to configure this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Project Tools, Content Types, and then go to the content type that I'm interested in adding this support and click on it. I'm going to create data sources. So here you can see my pages data source is a file browse repo data source, and I've configured it with the title pages and then the name, and then the location site website, which would give me the ability to browse any page in the site. And then for documents, I've decided to link to static assets, images. Once I create these data sources, I can then go to any rich text editor on this content type and add these to the file manager. So I want to be able to select from pages and documents. And once I've set that up, they then become available to me in the rich text editor. As we can see here. So these are the two data sources. If I click on pages, then I get a list of pages. I can browse for something that I want to link to. Let's say like the entertainment page here. Select that, and the system is smart enough to create a relative link to that page. If I then alternatively click on documents, I get a list of documents, in this case images, that are rooted at the path I provided in my data source. I can choose an image, click select, and you can see then I get the relative path to that static asset as well. It's that simple. Hope this helps. Happy crafting.